I saw my Lord weeping and shaking his head. How could they, his shattered voice said. I gave them so much, I gave them my son, and now I can't bear to see what they've done. My children, my people, my greatest creation, no longer see church as their truth and foundation. Oh, be strong, oh you who feel betrayed. I know your hearts are torn and frayed, but touch my tears and taste their salt, as we forgive all those at fault. He lifted his head and saw me there, and reached out his hand to draw me near, and said, know that I am calling you to rebuild my church and make it true. Rebuild my church and make it true. I love you. I love you. Rebuild my church and make